Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Ajax example using XML HTTP request object, part of Web Technologies course. The XML HTTP request object is the core of the Ajax technology. It allows JavaScript to send and receive data asynchronously with a web server. Here is an example of how the XML HTTP request object can be used to create an Ajax enabled application. In this example, an XML HTTP request object is created and a GET request is sent to the server to retrieve the contents of a file called data.txt. The onReady state change event is used to check the status of the request. And when the ready state is 4, meaning the request is complete, and the status is 200, meaning the request was successful, the response text is retrieved and used to update an element on the page with the ID data. It is important to note that this is a simple example, and in most cases you will have to handle other states such as errors and security issues. This is just one of many ways to use the XML HTTP request object to create an Ajax enabled application. You can also use it to send post requests, handle different data formats like JSON and XML and many more. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.